How to turn on calls on Line app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll walk you through how can you enable call on Line app. So before that, make sure to update your application. So go to the Play Store and on the search box type in Line app and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. After which, click the open button and log into your Line app. Once you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home page. So basically, to enable voice and video call on the Line app, or if you want to enable the notification, you just have to follow these steps. So click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Then what next you want to do is go to notifications. So after which, you want to go to notification settings, and then you could see call at the top. So make sure to enable call notification for all, such as incoming, ongoing call and call activity. By doing this, you'll have successfully turned on call on Line app. However, the interface will be different on my device as well as in your device as well. So what you could also do is go to notification, and right over here, if you scroll down a bit, you could find the call option. So make sure to turn it on, and that should be able to fix the issue as well. Now likewise, you could also go to this call section, and here you could go ahead and make sure to enable this option, that is incoming call sound and all that. That can also work out in order to turn on call on the Line app. So that's the way you could go ahead and turn on call on Line app. I hope the video was helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.